What's up, beautiful people? We made it to Aspen. We have our friends back here. Our friends over at Wander just opened this place and we were their first guests, which is super cool, but like the pictures do not do it justice. We'll show you guys tomorrow. It's a little later, but it's incredible.
Amazing.
We're so excited.
We're gonna do some skiing while we're here, enjoy some good company.
A little hot tubbing, some fireplaces. Ours has been broken.
a few days to relax, and we're just so grateful. We can't wait to show you around. It's gonna be so much fun.
Absolutely. We got Jeff and Natalia from the Johnson
There's an elevator here.
There's an elevator. You gotta be kidding. Oh my god. It's a legit elevator. You guys.
We can all fit in the elevator. Have fun, guys.
I love the grate. That's so rad.
I think it's right there. Yeah, on the door.
No, I want to see them go down. Leave it open. Does it work? Can we see?
I think you have to close it to go up, which is probably smart.
Put your finger in there, Nick.
It doesn't go up anymore. This is the top floor. Okay, shut it. Okay, shut it. I'll be downstairs.
Are they going up or down?
That's so weird.
That was so cool! It's our first full day here at the Wander Aspen location. We had a really good night's sleep last night. The beds are so comfortable and the pillows are top notch, which is a really big deal because a lot of times there's these beautiful places that we'll stay and the pillows are horrible and you have neck pain.
It's so sad, man.
That's like one of the biggest things we talk about, and these pillows were maybe the best pillows I've ever slept on. It was like sleeping on a cloud, so I am very happy and rested.
We got to sleep in because we didn't have any kids to take to school.
Steven made some brunch for everybody. We're kind of taking this as like our off day because tomorrow we're gonna do some skiing and that kind of thing. But this is like a very chill day, which I'm so grateful for. A lot of you guys know this past season was like really difficult for our family. Lincoln was in and out of the hospital. We had all of these challenges and things that were just happening. And so we haven't really had time to kind of breathe and recover from a lot of that. And honestly, there was a lot of trauma involved there and like a lot of heartache. And so, you know, we thought at one point we were gonna lose Lincoln, and so I think there was a lot of things that were under the surface that I needed to kind of work through. So this has just been such a gift to us, and we're just so grateful to be able to be here. I'm so grateful for Wander inviting us to come and bring some friends and just have such a special time this week.
This place sleeps 8, so it's perfect. We have just a bunch of our best friends flew in from all over the country, and so we get to just have like a couples getaway, which has been great. And the cool thing is, Wander actually said, hey, we'd love to give away 2 nights to some of your subscribers and some of your followers. And so we said, heck yeah, let's go for it. And so if you go to wander.com, you can actually sign up for your own account and that'll put you in the drawing. We'll put some details in the description box so you can sign up for that. But they're giving away 2 nights to this incredible place.
I know. So, I'm so excited that some of you guys are going to be able to experience it here as well because it is so amazing. And so this just seems like such a treat for us, for you guys. It's going to be so much fun.
So we wanted to show you guys the house because
you might be staying here too.
It's pretty incredible. So let's go check it out.
So this location has 3 primary bedrooms as well as a really cool bunk room. And so it's really cool because we have a bunch of adults here and we all have these luxurious, huge beds. And so this is where we slept. This is the upstairs bedroom. And like we said, a super comfortable bed, amazing view of the mountains over here.
Unbelievable. And behind us too. Like it's just mountains everywhere.
Everywhere you look.
Perfect for ski season.
Bathroom is
unbelievable.
Stunning. Look.
This hot tub, bathtub, I don't even know. It's just like, what?
It is. It's like a jacuzzi tub, like a super deep soaking tub.
It's incredible.
And I'm gonna try that today because like that just seems like such a treat. Like,
but the showers too. Like this shower is not just a shower, it's also a steam room, but it's a triple head shower, and I love the stone in here. And then earlier, I didn't realize this until I was getting a shower, but it's actually a steam room too, so I can turn it on and get a little sauna action.
Yes.
There's one in the basement too, next to the movie theater.
There are 4 levels to this place, so we've got some cool stuff to show you. It's really cool. And the door to this room also is so cool because if you close it, it literally just looks
blends into the wall.
It's just a wall.
You didn't even know there's a door.
Bedroom. It's a secret bedroom. That is so cool.
And I love the table.
Look
and
at this. The wood is beautiful and the chandelier chandelier.
Yeah.
It's like a snowflake, which is perfect.
Yes, I love it. Look at this view, like wall of windows. We got the fireplace. Our friends are out on the reading on the balcony, enjoying some time.
Look at this fireplace. You guys know that we are fireplace lovers.
We love a good fireplace.
Way to put it. But we love fireplaces, and this one is just so beautiful, so unique. I love this stone.
Yeah.
And it's just like the perfect centerpiece to this whole area. Speaking of the kitchen over here.
Unbelievable. All
Stephen
Wolf
made
appliances,
brunch.
Sub-Zero fridge.
Yeah. Stephen made brunch here this morning, and he's gonna be making some steak tonight. So I'm really looking forward to that. But this is just stunning. I mean, it's got
amazing.
Wolf appliances, and I love that it's just open. You can all just kind of be gathered together.
Yeah.
I love the pendant lights.
I know.
Bar stools here. We've got a wine fridge over here.
And an elevator, which we showed you guys last night, but that goes all the way down to the basement, which is 4 floors down.
So this is the main level. We have the front door here and a nice closet for all your coats and shoes. And I just love how beautiful this is. The artwork, the vibes just in general.
Yeah.
There's where the elevator comes out here. More stairs down this way.
I love the floating stairs. I love that they're like made of stone and like they cast such a cool shadow. It's just so rad.
Very cool. So on this main level, there's 2 more bedrooms as well as the laundry room. So let's check it out. All right, let's go down a level. What a cool bunk room is this. We've got this massive bunk bed here. We could fit so many kids in here, Steven. Next time we gotta bring the kids
We're coming back.
Yeah. And down the hallway, they have a full gym, which comes in really handy if you are a workout fanatic like Steven.
I worked out this morning.
Yes, you did. You got up running early. No sleeping in for Steven, but I definitely did. This is such a great space.
It's great, man. Watched a little TV while I lifted some weights.
Our entire family could work out here at the same time.
And I'm gonna get a little work done over there today. That just feels like The Godfather. Like, I feel like a boss if I had a desk like that with a chair
awesome.
like that.
You don't have to skip out on work.
I want this chair, by the way. Can we get
need to
this
get a chair like this for you,
my
babe.
office?
Wow. I could definitely see us doing some work here.
Let's not kid ourselves. You're the boss.
In the mountains, life slows down and friends stay longer. I love that. But wait, there's more. Come on down. What? This is like so cool.
We got a theater. This is my kind of basement. We got a theater.
We could all sleep on here. Look how massive this couch is.
Seriously.
You've got the projector. You've got the pool table. We are definitely going to be hanging out here tonight. This is so much fun.
I love it.
It even has another bathroom down here.
And there's another sauna. Like, the shower turns into a sauna as well, which is pretty sweet.
Part of me is a little bit sad that the kids are not here with us, but I know we're going to be able to bring them back. And it's really nice to have a few days just for us too.
Yeah.
Let's take the elevator back up.
Look at that!
We made it!
That's our friend!
So we're prepping dinner right now, and we have the steaks out here, doing some Brussels that are gonna be nice and crispy. We've got some loaded potatoes that we're gonna be doing. And Jasmine is making some pesto sauce that is so good. We had it a few times, and so when she said she was gonna make her pesto, we were so excited. It's like the best ever. Steven's also gonna make some guacamole. We set these by the window yesterday, and they're pretty perfect.
I think we got them right, yeah.
So that's gonna be delicious because we all love Steven's guacamole for sure.
So true.
We're eating real good tonight, babe. Potatoes are going. We're getting there. I also love that they have all these drawers here and everything, like anything you could possibly need in a kitchen, they have it fully
stocked.
Yeah.
Vacation rental ever.
I know, we're not going out to eat because we have everything we could possibly need right here in this gorgeous kitchen with a view. Oh, it smells so amazing. That's cilantro.
That's good.
Perfect.
Work. Good.
Perfect.
Perfecto.
Lots of flavor. salty, but not too salty. A perfect amount of cilantro. What are your thoughts on cilantro? Do you love it? Do you hate it? I feel like people either absolutely love cilantro or they despise it. And I used to despise it, but now I love it. And I think it was Steven's block that literally made me love cilantro. And now I do crave it. So well done, sir.
Hey, you're welcome.
You're welcome.
What can I say except you're welcome?
Amazing.
I have waited so long to take this bite.
I know, we're ready.
I'm ready.
We needed to document this moment.
Okay, here we go. All right.
That's such a big bite. He always takes the biggest bite.
That's so good. That's so good.
It's so good though. Steven died.
Chef Steven, the steaks are ready.
Why, thank you.
Yes, sir. They've rested at a complete rest time.
Dude, I want one of these so bad.
That's a nice sizzle.
That's a good look.
Thank you, Chef Steven.
Oh my God. Look at that crust. Wow. Are you kidding me right now? Those are gonna be good.
Miles and miles of the clear blue skies. We drive straight as a narrow flies. Nowhere to be, no dreams to chase tonight. We've got time to waste, let's waste it right.
All right, we are ready to go skiing. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
We're so excited. We're very nervous.
Excited slash nervous.
You ready, babe?
I'm so ready. I was born ready.
Yeah, and so we just finished breakfast, and guess what's just started? It's snowing. This is gonna be such a fun day. Okay, let's go.
With the birds flying south, nothing to see as the day turns into night. We've got time to waste, let's waste it right. We got time to waste, let's waste it
All right, so we just practiced a little bit on like the bunny slope and kind of got a feel for it and feeling a little optimistic. I think it's gonna be okay. So we're gonna head over to the gondola now and go up and do some greens with our friends and see if we can make it down without falling too many times. We'll see. We have good teachers. All right, we're getting strapped into our boards.
Yay.
Woo-hoo. And everyone's snowboarding this time except for Tal's skiing, and then we might switch to skis in a few hours. Get a little bit of the best of both worlds.
And I've never skied before.
Yeah, so we're gonna teach you to ski and you're teaching us to snowboard. Super proud of you, babe.
Remember to lift up.
Woo! The guys got it. There we go, there we go. Oh.
And as we grow, I'll keep running till I can no more.
Okay, so we're trying skiing now.
I'm nervous.
You're gonna do great. This is her first time skiing.
Yep.
And so we're just switching it out. The guys went up to the top. We're gonna meet up with them, but we're gonna do this run real quickly and see how it goes.
Hard my life, every second.
Perfect song to ski to. You're a natural. We made it back from the slopes. We're all a little sore.
We're all excited for the jacuzzi.
The jacuzzi and some dinner. Taking it real easy tonight.
Now the sun decides to show up, by the way.
Dead.
You did really good though.
Thanks.
Hi.
Hi. Let's bring that down there. How's it going?
Say hi.
Hey, buddy.
We missed you. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute.
He can't see you.
Hi.
Who's that?
You're so cute.
Hi, buddy.
The way he leans in like that is so cute.
There's
Angus.
Oh, hi, Angus.
Hey, Angus.
Hey, buddy boy.
Hey, buddy. How's it? You know what we did today, Jude?
I know, I'm jealous and I don't want to talk about it.
No, you know that we snowboarded.
You snowboard?
We
Both
snowboarded.
did.
Oh my god.
And we survived. Hey, buddy.
Bud.
Hi.
Hi.
Winky, you're so cute.
We're very, very sore.
Yes, we fell a lot of times while snowboarding, and then we switched to skis and didn't fall. But hi, puppy. You're the cutest.
Did y'all enjoy?
We did.
I did. I have a lot of fun. Yeah, I want to do it some more.
Yeah, we're gonna keep practicing. Linky keeps turning into himself. Yeah, we see you,
Next time,
Linky.
just get with me, right, Mom?
And
Yeah, you and Dad can go do your bro trip again. Hi, I love you. You're so cute. We miss you guys.
We miss you too.
We'll see you tomorrow. Okay.
See ya.
Bye. Love you.
Love you, Kira.
Mwah, mwah.
Guys, I don't know if my body has hurt like this in a long time.
My tailbone.
Where?
Just sitting down on the couch, I was like, ow, ow, ow.
When I have to walk down four floors to throw away the trash, it's like, I'm gonna fill this tomorrow. So we did do a little hot tubbing, which was great.
Yeah.
But we are gonna go ahead and close this thing out. There's a lot going on this month, actually, just over the next few weeks. So we'll have a few extra vlogs for you this coming month or so. But we love you guys. Can't wait to see you guys next time.
Bye, guys.
For your name's sake, you will leave.